Hi, I'm pro saxophonist Jamie Anderson and you're watching Get Your Sax Together. I sax up your Sunday every week with free online saxophone lessons, bringing you great technique tips, player profiles and breakdowns of your favourite sax solos. On today's free lesson, one of my favourite funky sax breaks of all time. Oh my god, this is so good. It's Ernie Watts' hook from The Dude by Quincy Jones. I swear to God, the sax break in The Dude is one of the grooviest things I've ever heard. I almost don't want to touch it because I love it so much, but it's my sacred duty to bring you guys the world's greatest sax moments. So here we are. The Dude is from Quincy Jones' 1981 album of the same name and features a star-studded lineup of some of the world's greatest musicians, including, amongst many others, Herbie Hancock, Louis Jordan, Jerry Hay, Stevie Wonder and Patti Austin. The song itself was written by Quincy Jones, Rod Temperton and Patti Austin, and somewhere in there you can even hear Michael Jackson on backing vocals. Not a name that creates universally good vibes these days, but that's how good this track is. One of the biggest stars of the era was on backing vocals. The horns are by Jerry Hay and his crew, and that funky tenor sax hook is handled by the one and only Ernie Watts. Ernie was and is one of the most in-demand jazz and session saxophonists of all time, and you can hear him on record with the likes of Aretha Franklin, Chaka Khan, Frankie Valli, Marvin Gaye and James Taylor, as well as countless others. He's on The Dude and he is the dude. And if that wasn't enough, he also plays the theme from Cagney And Lacey. So if you like these Hall of Fame breakdown videos, go to the card linked above now, because believe me, there's a bunch more of them. And hit the link in the description to get your free PDF transcription for The Dude for alto or tenor. You know the drill by now. Plus, there's more free goodies in the description, including my new Deluxe Saxophone Fingering Chart and my free 1-hour saxophone success masterclass. Okay, without further ado, let's start learning this riff. If you're a beginner on sax, this one is going to be quite easy for you. Well, on alto anyway. If you play tenor, you've got to work out that pesky top F sharp. Keep watching to the end, because after I play it through, I'll let the backing track run for you to play along with. I've got a couple of special guests on this backing track as well, and I'll tell you about them after we've learned the phrases. There's only 3 phrases to learn for this one, and apart from one chromatic note at the end, it's all on a concert G major pentatonic. The card above links to my video on pentatonics, if you don't know what I'm talking about. So it's going to be an A pentatonic for tenor and an E pentatonic for alto. Here's the first phrase in slow motion. Here's the second phrase now. If you need help with the top F sharp and tenor, be sure to check out my Altissimo video linked on the card above now. If you play alto, you'll be fine, as it only goes up to C sharp. The third phrase starts off like phrase 2, but has a different ending. So you've now got all the phrases you need to assemble the whole 8 bars. If you go and get your free PDF transcription for The Dude, you'll see how the structure works. You play phrases 1 and 2 3 times, then finish with phrases 1 and 3. Each phrase is 1 bar long, so that makes up the 8 bars. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 3. Sounds like a sound check. I put together my own backing track for this one, and a special thank you and shout out goes to my 2 guest musicians. Greg Hagger from Greg's Bass Shed is on, surprise, surprise, bass. You might remember he played bass on the Forget Me Nots video. And my bestest buddy, Simon Finch, makes his Get Your Sax Together debut on trumpet. Go and check out Finch's Twisted Trumpet and Beat Making on his self-titled YouTube channel. I'll put links for Greg and Simon Finch in the description. Right, there's a 1 bar count in and then we're in. After I've run it down, you can play along with the backing track yourself. Have fun. So that's it for this week. Consider your Sunday well and truly saxed up. I hope you enjoyed learning Ernie Watts' iconic tenor riff on The Dude by Quincy Jones. I know I say it all the time, but this really is one of my favourite sax moments of all time. Don't forget to pick up your free PDF using the link in the description. And if you want to learn some more in-depth sax stuff, go to getyoursaxtogether.com/masterclass to get your free 1-hour lesson with me. You can help me out by subscribing. Click the bell icon for notifications when I upload or go live, and give me a thumbs up and a comment. Until such time as my subs go ballistic, I read every comment, so I will see your remarks. And of course, you can keep up to date with my Insta and Facebook pages. If you want to contribute even more, you can buy me a coffee using the link in the description. And thank you so much if you've already done that. It's much appreciated, and your generosity always blows me away. I read every comment on Buy Me a Coffee, but I'm a bit behind replying to them all at the moment, so apologies for that. Once again, I've got no idea what next week's lesson is going to be, but until then, practice hard, practice smart, and enjoy your music. See you later. No bloopers. No bloopers. What am I going to put in the blooper reel now?